one.
One. Wow, one. And
two.
two. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 2. Look at my hand. How many do you see?
See, 3.
Yes, 3.
4. Four.
Look, 4 fingers. This is the number 4. 4.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yay, 5.
6. 6.
All aboard, everyone! We have a long way to go today.
I can't wait.
7. 7.
7. Can you see the number 7?
8.
8.
8. 9.
9. Look, it says 9. Wow, that's great.